Occupational therapy as a profession is a profession where we really look at helping people overcome barriers that they're experiencing in their life. Just anything that helps them get back to doing the things they enjoy or the things they need to do in their life. The need for occupational therapy comes from whether it could be a physical barrier, a cognitive barrier that someone's experiencing, sometimes developmental delays with children, or just age-related changes where people are getting weaker, bodies begin to change, and just overcoming some of those difficulties. When students are at their field work or doing some of these community outings, they are in person. They're not simulated experiences. So we really value getting the students out there, getting hands-on experience with what they're going to be seeing when they become practitioners. Something we do have here is a simulated living suite, essentially. So we have a kitchen, a living room, bedroom, bathroom. An example of that might be having a senior citizen who recently had a hip surgery, and she lives with, say, her grandchildren, and she's often up and down cooking meals for them, helping with dress in the morning, and she might be having limitations with standing at her stove, standing at the kitchen counter, being able to cut up things for a meal. We have students go in there, teach them different aspects of transfers in the bedroom, teaching them about different adaptive equipment they might use in the kitchen to help somebody be able to prepare a meal for somebody in their family. Some of those fine motor skills that might have been diminished over time. We value a lot of hands-on experiences with our students. And helping individuals regain their independence. A lot of them do have backstories or history with occupational therapy from either a sibling or a grandparent or a parent receiving OT services, and really seeing how the OT has made meaningful impact in their loved ones' lives, and it has led a lot of them down the path of pursuing this as a career.